Back in 2022, we had known that there was an accident that making Indonesia viral until international at the time. And the accident was caused by tragedy Kanjuruhan. And in this tragic accident, especially in Kanjuruhan Stadium in Malang, it took the lives of 127 people and left 34 others are dead. And here's the video for the tragedy at the time.
Aremania yang tak terima dengan kekalahan Arema FC tersebut merangsek masuk ke lapangan setelah pertandingan selesai. Kapolda Jawa Timur Irjen Pol Niko Afinta mengatakan dalam pertandingan ini kemenangan ada di tangan Persebaya Surabaya dengan skor 3-2. Dalam pertandingan Niko mengatakan tak ada permasalahan. Pertandingan berjalan lancar dan berlangsung dengan tertib. Permasalahan terjadi setelah pertandingan selesai. Aremania merasa kecewa terhadap tim kesayangannya yang kalah dalam pertandingan. Hal tersebut karena selama ini, jika pertandingan digelar di kandang sendiri, Arema disebut tak pernah mengalami kekalahan. Masa yang kecewa tersebut kemudian turun ke lapangan untuk mencari para pemain untuk menanyakan sebab kekalahan. Selain itu, juga untuk melampiaskan rasa kekecewaan mereka. Untuk itu, kepolisian berusaha mengalihkan agar para penonton tak mengejar para pemain. Dalam prosesnya, pengamanan dilakukan dengan cara menyemprotkan gas air mata lantaran para penonton mulai anarkis. Hal ini membuat para penonton berlari menuju ke satu titik pintu keluar hingga terjadi penumpukan. Dalam proses inilah banyak orang yang sesak napas dan kekurangan oksigen. Tim medis kemudian berusaha melakukan pertolongan dan evakuasi, kemudian dibawa ke beberapa rumah sakit terdekat. Dalam kejadian tersebut telah meninggal 102.
We will interview one of the someone who love football. We will interview.
Okay, I want to ask you two questions here. Okay, for the first question is, what do you think about the Kanjuruhan, especially for the accident that make Indonesia viral at the time?
Okay, I think it was a very worst disaster in the history of Indonesian football, and it went viral at the time. And I feel bad because it caused a lot of victims, more than 100, I guess. And yeah, it started from only one supporter that comes down to the field, and then followed by the other supporters, and then yeah, it chaos with the police. And I don't know the reason why the gate was not open at the time. I don't know the regulation, and yeah, I hope that disaster will not be repeated in the future.
Okay, it was started by the one of the
Yes.
opponent at the time. And what do you think after that accident? Is that the supporter more better in the recent year?
Yes. When I look in the social media, the Indonesian supporter is way better than the previous. Because yeah, when I see Indonesia play against Qatar in Qatar, they are cleaning the stadium before they left the stadium, and I think it is improving from Indonesian supporter. Yes, I think it's more better than before, and I hope it will be better in the future.
Since the tragedy, Indonesian football supporters have been working to change their behavior and create more positive environment at the stadium, especially when Indonesia against Qatar, and it will appear for the video after this. And it's clear that the behavior of supporters is an important issue, because if there is a positive supporters, this sport will interest for us. And here's the videos when Indonesia against Qatar in Qatar.
Respect, supporter Garuda bersihkan stadion. Inilah momen bersih-bersih stadion seusai laga yang dilakukan oleh supporter timnas Indonesia di Qatar. Di balik euforia keberhasilan Garuda Muda, tercipta kenangan manis yang patut diacungi jempol yang dilakukan oleh para pendukung timnas Indonesia. Bukan hanya kehebohan saat meneriakkan yel-yel yang menjadi sorotan, melainkan aksi bersih-bersih tribun penonton yang menuai decak kagum netizen. Tanggung jawab supporter timnas atas kebersihan stadion bisa menjadi panutan untuk para penonton lainnya. Timnas membaik, supporter juga ikut membaik.
Okay, that's all for tonight for the news, and stay tuned for more updates throughout the week. Good night. Okay, that's all